Hello everyone, welcome back to the Techlog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Techlog, I will be showing you how to change display name in Hotmail. So for that process, you need to open the account first. So click open new tab on the Google browser that you have been using in your PC or in your laptop. Then click open new tab. There on the search bar, you type in outlook.com and press enter. So basically Outlook and Hotmail is same. So click open the Outlook web page first, and then get logged in into the account of yours. Now once you have been logged in into the account, what you need to do is you need to click on the profile name of yours on the top right. Click that, and there you need to click on my profile. Now once you're at your profile info page, you can see your full name over here, and there to edit it you can click on edit name. Now you can change the last name over here. So I'm just gonna reverse the name. That is, I'm gonna put my last name as the first name and the first name as the last name. This is just for the tutorial. You can change your name to a very different one. Then you need to type in the Captcha over here. Then click on save. And once you do that, you can see the name has been reversed. So this is a way how you can change the display name in Hotmail. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Techlog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.